When I first started looking for an indoor grill that could also air fry, roast, and bake, I kept coming across the Ninja Foodi series. Two models that stood out were the Ninja AG300 and the Ninja AG301. At first glance, they seemed almost identical. But as I dug deeper, I noticed some small but significant differences, especially when it came to cooking features. In this video, I'm sharing my full Ninja AG300 versus AG301 comparison based on hands-on use, research, and real pros and cons. If you're looking for a countertop grill that does more than just grilling, this guide is for you. Ninja Foodi AG300 versus AG301 similarities. Power output. Both the Ninja AG300 and AG301 have a 1760 watt power output, which is perfect for fast and even cooking. I've used both and I can tell you that they heat up quickly and get the job done without lag. Whether I'm grilling steaks or air frying some fries, the power feels just right. Cooking performance. Another key similarity between these two models is that they use cyclonic grilling technology, which means hot air circulates the food for even cooking. In my experience, this is great for getting that crispy outside and juicy inside, whether I'm using the grill or the air crisp function. Build quality. When it comes to building, both grills feel solid in my hands. They're made of a mix of stainless steel and high heat resistant plastic, which makes them both durable and heat safe. Design. There's no real visual difference between the AG300 and AG301. They have the same sleek, compact look and fit nicely on my countertop. Their control panels are digital, easy to read, and equally responsive. Grilling technology. The grilling technology in the Ninja Foodi AG300 and AG301 is essentially the same, as both use cyclonic grilling technology. This technology circulates superheated air around food, while the grill grate gives direct high heat searing, creating char-grilled marks and locking in flavor. Both models also reach up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit grill temperatures, ensuring similar performance for grilling steaks, burgers, and vegetables. Included accessories. Both models come with the same accessories: a grill grate, a 4-quart crisper basket, a cooking pot, and a cleaning brush. I didn't notice any missing pieces or design changes between the two. What works for one, works for the other. Ease of cleaning. Cleanup is super simple in both grills. The accessories are dishwasher safe, and the non-stick interior makes wiping down the inside quick and easy. No fuss, no scrubbing forever. Ninja Foodi AG300 versus AG301. Differences. Dehydrate function. The main difference between the AG300 and AG301 is the dehydrate feature. When I used the AG300, I quickly noticed this option was missing. The AG300 still grills, air crisps, bakes, and roasts just fine, but it doesn't offer the dehydrate setting, which can be a deal breaker if you're into homemade snacks. So for me, if dehydrating is something you're planning to do, the AG301 wins. When I tried the AG301, I loved having the option to dry fruits and herbs or even make beef jerky at home. This built-in dehydrate mode lets me create healthy snacks without needing another appliance. So for me, if dehydrating is something you're planning to do, the AG301 wins. Total cooking functions. Because of the added dehydrate mode, the AG301 offers 5 cooking functions while the AG300 only offers 4. That one extra function may seem small, but it adds a nice layer of versatility. I've personally used all 5 functions on the AG301, and they really help when I want to switch things up in the kitchen. If you enjoy trying different cooking methods, having that 5th function feels like a bonus. Size and quantity. The AG300 is a 4-in-1 unit, grill, air crisp, roast, and bake, with a smaller capacity, featuring a 4-quart crisper basket and about a 6-quart cooking pot. It runs at 1500 watts and is heavier and bulkier, measuring around 18.8 by 15.6 by 14.2 inches and weighing around 25.4 pounds. It does not include a dehydrate function, is less energy efficient, and its parts are not dishwasher safe. The AG301, on the other hand, is a 5-in-1 model that adds the dehydrate function, has higher power at 1760 watts for faster cooking, and includes dishwasher-safe parts. It comes with a 6-quart pot and 4-quart basket and can fit up to a 3-pound roast, making it a better choice for larger meals. It is also more compact and lighter, 14.9 by 14.9 by 11 inches, about 14.5 pounds, making it easier to store. Price difference. There's also a slight difference in price. The AG301 usually costs a little more than the AG300, but honestly that makes sense considering you're getting an extra cooking feature. However, if you're on a tighter budget and don't need the dehydrate mode, the AG300 can save you some money without compromising on core performance. Best use case. The AG300 is perfect for everyday grilling and air frying. It's simple and straightforward and covers the essentials well. I used it for burgers, chicken, and roasted veggies, and it worked flawlessly. But if you want a little more freedom in the kitchen, the AG301 is the better choice. I've used it to dehydrate apples for snacks and even made kale chips. That extra mode gives me more options for healthy, oil-free cooking, which fits really well with how I like to eat. Final verdict. After comparing both models side by side, I'd say the Ninja Foodi AG301 indoor grill is the better option. It does everything the Ninja AG300 indoor grill does, but with one extra feature that makes a big difference for me, the dehydrate function. With the AG301, I can make healthy snacks like dry fruits or homemade jerky, which I couldn't do with the AG300. Everything else is almost the same. Same size, same power, same great grilling and air frying performance. So if I had to choose, I'd definitely go with the Ninja Foodi AG301. It's just a smarter buy for anyone who wants a little more from their indoor grill.
Links to purchase both products at the best price are in the description. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And hey, if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss what's coming next.